Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to share how to clear the cookies on Mac. So by Mac, I'm assuming that you're talking about the Safari browser. So in order to clear the Safari browser cookies, what you can do is you can launch the Safari browser first. Once the Safari browser is open, go to the Safari menu bar, and here you would be able to see the settings. And here you can click on the settings, which will open up the Safari settings window. Now here you can just switch to the privacy tab, and within the privacy tab you have this something called as manage website data button. Just click on it and it will display the list of all the websites that you have visited. And in order to remove, what you can do is you can just select that particular website and then click on remove. It will clear the cookies and cache of that particular website. So if you want to delete all the cookies and cache that are being stored on your Safari, you can just click on this remove all button and remove now, and it will clear. Once done, you can just close the settings tab and just relaunch the Safari browser, and it will load the websites again in a fresh mode. Clearing the cookies and cache will load your website a bit slower, but once you are loaded, and it will be faster. Now, other thing to remember is that clearing the cache will also sign you out from the website, so you need to remember your password and sign once again. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.